Hello guys, Steven Knox here and welcome to this video. So today we're going to talk about the plays that happened last week and what can we focus on to make some profits in terms of shorting GME and AMC and all other meme stocks, and also the general look on the overall market of what should we try to be careful with because tons of plays are kind of correlating with the overall market and what tickers are not. By the way, I have our conference coming in July in California, Irvine. So if you're interested and wants to come in and share your experience in this community, or also want to listen me talking about the performance that I did, or the trades that I did in the last year, 2021, I will leave a link below and for you to register. So before I start this video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Today, let's go over GME and AMC. So this one will be the main focus next week. Ticker went from 90 to 150. So overall, it's only about 60% gain-ish from the bottom. And not enough risk reward from shorting. So there's tons of consolidations between, you can see right here, between 100 to 106. During Friday, the stock did not break down of this 120 area, and you can kind of tell that if there's massive support around the 106, 100-ish, there's only maybe $10 to drop, so maximum drops to 115. Overall, risk reward is not that good, and the market is recovering pretty strong in terms of SPY. So you can kind of tell in the last couple of weeks, GME is following SPY and the Qs. Not until this bear market rally is over, we won't see any significant pullbacks on GME and AMC. So let's look at AMC. Same thing, not as overreacted as GME, only went up 40%. And this is heavily beat down, so we might see some decent amount of squeeze up into the 27 or the 25-ish. That would be a solid resistance to short into. Same thing goes into GME. I wouldn't be shorting this until probably hits into the 170 area, which will be right about here. You can see there's tons of volume traded between 180 to 170-ish. So we might have a solid chance that this could get to the 170s before, crazy good shorting opportunities. So we'll see. I think if GME is following the overall market, then there's decent amount of rooms for SPY to continue to bounce into the 430, 440 area. As soon as this starts to consolidate, that's probably the time of me starting shorting GME. But that's for the meme stocks on those two tickers. I wouldn't be trying to go long to gain an extra 10%, 20%. So not enough reward for going into the long position. Let's talk about SIGA. So this is the Monkeypox vaccine company. Ran up 3 days and pulled significantly. Ran up again into the resistance around 14 area, but normally when you see these type of tickers that they run into resistance but it doesn't have a solid consolidation, so this is where it traps a lot of people in terms of shorting into resistance. So I started bouncing around 8, bounced up to 14, so it's gained about extra 70-80%, not 100% yet, and there's no solid resistance up in that area, so this could definitely spike in the next week. I would assume that this will be a solid short. If the market cap is around 1 billion, this will be a solid short if it trades around 100 million shares up into the 17 to 20 or 20 to 30 area. So it needs to gain another, I would say, on 100% breakout of the 17 and aiming for a solid short. So that will be all of the tickers that happened last week. Not too much going on. Pretty much everything is following the market, even the meme stocks as well. Interestingly, that I don't know about Bitcoin that much. It's a very highly speculative play. The Bitcoin surprisingly is not following the market bounce, so I wouldn't be too optimistic about Bitcoin coming back all the way to above 40,000. I think we're in a season that the market is trying to flush out all of the dump money in the market and the retailers. So I will be really careful with even in the market or allowing all those potential meme stocks. So these can get destroyed instantly without even forming any type of resistance. So that will be the end of this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And other than that, thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.